The enduring power is change. When the transformation is underway and businesses are exploding with ideas for change, it's time to take the initiative and start a new chapter. As a leader in permanent magnetic variable frequency energy-saving air compressors and a pioneer in magnetic levitation technology, SCR plans and designs with industry-leading standards and constructs a world-class intelligent manufacturing R&D base. By means of digital management and equipment automation, SCR has started the process of converting conventional manufacturing into intelligent manufacturing. 4 main sections of a production facility covering 100,000 square meters. Entire product manufacturing process is monitored in real time using artificial intelligence (AI) technologies with automated storage, distribution, processing, and inception system. Through the CRM system, customer needs are communicated to the order management department via Intelligent Manufacturing Command Center. For clients, R&D engineers use the PLM system to create personalized designs. Manufacturing work orders are created and distributed by the planning department using the ERP. Order instructions are sent to the vertical warehouse, which then completes automated material picking and uses an AGV to deliver the materials to the assembly line. The plates are automatically loaded and unloaded in the sheet metal automation workshop, where they are also automatically bent and welded. They are then transported by AGV to the assembly line. Products are assembled and tested with a world-class standard. Testing facility has globally cutting-edge automated testing equipment and has been certified by the China National Institute of Standardization. Real-time product quality monitoring is possible through automated sampling, computation, evaluation, and analysis of multiple performance metrics. R&D, innovation are core of SCR for more than 20 years. Through deep technical integration with Japan's Ernst Iwata and industry-academia cooperation with major universities, we have achieved continuous innovation. The world-class Air Compressor Test Center realizes the ability to systematically evaluate core components and durability tests under complex working conditions so as to meet the ever-changing customer needs. SCR adheres to the people-oriented business philosophy, expands talent promotion channels, improves the training system, creates a comfortable working environment, and allows compressor technology to innovate. From piston air compressors to screw air compressors, and then to magnetic levitation air compressors, SCR has always been moving forward and providing unlimited power, saving electricity, and with less carbon emissions.